Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's see what here. Oh guys, okay, guys, what are the eyes? Wow! This is the amazing spider. Mine. Wow, guys, look at this amazing Spider-Man. Okay, so cool. Look at this. So nice spider on the chest, guys. Look at this. So nice spider on the back, guys. Very cool. Psst, psst, psst. Peter Parker, very cool. Let's see what is it, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Iron Spider. Mine. Wow, guys, look at Iron Spider-Man looking so amazing. I guys, so nice Iron Spider on the chair, guys. Guys, so nice mask of Iron Spider, Ming, guys. Very cool, Peter Parker. Psst, 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 psst. Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, guys, what are the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Iron. Mine. Stop! Wow, guys, look at that. I don't know, like, so amazing. I guys. So nice heart on his hair, guys. So nice helmet of Iron Man, guys. So nice beam shooting from the hands. Tony Stark, very cool. Leader of Avengers, very cool. Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Hulk. Wow, guys! Look at the whole guy looking so big and strong. Hey, guys! So dangerous, grumpy with the whole guy, guys. So big chest of Hulk, guys. Very strong ass, guys. Very cool. Dr. Banner. Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, guys. What are the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Captain America. Wow, guys, look at Captain America cartoon is looking so amazing, guys. So nice mask of Captain America cartoon, guys. So nice shield of Captain America cartoon, guys. Very cool. Steve Rogers, very brave. Super soldier, very cool. Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, okay, so what is the eyes? Oh, wow. This is Axe. Thor.
Okay, we will help. No! Iron Man! No, he's gone! I'm gonna kill them all!
Wow, guys, look at it. Thor is looking so cool. Look, guys. So nice long hair of Thor, guys. Very nice beard of Thor, guys. Very nice blue color armor. Sharp axe. Very cool. Marvel superhero. Very nice. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the guys? Oh, wow. This is Hulkbuster. Wow, guys, look at it. Hulkbuster is looking so big and strong, guys. Guys, so his helmet of Hulkbuster, guys. Look at it. So big Ironman suit, very cool. Leader of Avengers, very nice. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the guys? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Spidey, guys. Wow, guys, look at this Spidey looking so amazing, right, guys? So we got a Spidey, guys. Psst, 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 psst. Web shooter, web swinger, Peter Parker, very cool. Psst. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the guys? Oh, wow. This is Spider. Mine. Wow, guys, look at this Spider-Man looking so amazing, right, guys? So nice mask of Spider-Man, guys, guys. So nice spider on the chest, guys. Red and blue color suit, very cool. Psst, 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 psst. Web shooter and web swinger, Peter Parker. Let's see what he, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the guys? Oh, wow. This is Spider. Wow, guys, look at this homecoming Spider-Man looking so amazing, hey guys. So the red and black color suit of homecoming Spider-Man, guys. So nice spider on the chest, guys. Psst, 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 psst. Very cool. Marvel superhero. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the guys? Guys. Oh, wow. This is Captain America, guys.
I will send you to hell! Game over! Where are you, rat? I will kill you! Goodbye!
Wow, guys, look at this solar shield of Captain America, hey, guys. So the mask of Captain America, guys. Steve Rogers, very brave. Nice. Super soldier. Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is this, guys? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is super. Mine. Copy.
Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me!
Wow, guys, look at this Superman is looking so strong, guys. Guys, so nice Superman hope logo on the chest, guys. Guys, so nice cape of Superman, guys. Guys, very strong Clark Kent, Kryptonian, Man of Steel. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Thunder. Flash! Wow, guys, look at this flash is looking so amazing, guys. So I turned on the chair, guys. Wow, so fast, guys. This is superhero. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, something, guys. What is this, guys? Oh, haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Steve Rogers, Captain America, guys.
Stop! What? Oh no!
Wow, guys, look at Steve Rogers looking so strong, guys. So big sheet of Steve Rogers, guys. So nice star on the cheese, guys. Very cool, very brave. Steve Rogers, super soldier. Very nice. Let's see what he guys. Whoa, guys, look at this. What is this, guys? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Spiderman. Wow, guys, look at this Spider-Man cartoon is looking so amazing, guys. So nice spider on the back, guys. So nice Marco Spider-Man, guys. So nice spider in the chest, guys. Web shooter and web swinger, Peter Parker, very cool. Marvel superhero, very nice. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Hulk Smash. Wow, guys, look at this Smash looking so big and strong, guys. So they just grumpy with the whole guys. So they just cuts on his body, guys. Very cool. Dr. Banner. Very nice. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the guys? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Green Goblin, guys. Okay. Wow, guys, look at the Green Goblin looking so scary, guys. So nice hat of Green Goblin, guys. So scary bomb of Green Goblin, guys. Very cool, very scary, dangerous alien villain, guys. Let's see what he guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What are the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is the bat. Ming.
Help me, Mom!
Oh God! I will be kill Batman.
take you back, mommy.
Wow, guys, look at the Batman is looking so amazing, guys. So nice cape of the Batman, guys. So the mask of the Batman, guys. Very nice Batman, the cheese, guys. Look, guys. Very good. The Dark Knight, Bruce Wayne, very rich. Let's see what it is, guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the eyes? Oh, wow. This is Wolverine, guys. Wow, guys, look at the Wolverine is looking so cool, guys. So dangerous bodybuilder Wolverine, guys. So nice sharp claws of Wolverine, guys. Very cool, very strong. Marvel superhero. Let's see what he, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Black Panther.
What's that? It's time machine. Let's try. This is so beautiful.
Wow, guys, look at this Black Panther is looking so cool, guys. So nice claws of Black Panther, guys. So a mask of Black Panther, guys. Wakanda Prince, very cool. Wakanda forever. Very nice. Let's see what he, guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Joker. Wow, guys, look at Joker is looking so scary, guys. So big smile of Joker, guys. Purple color suit, very cool. Green color hairstyle. Why so serious? Let's see what he is, guys. Oh, guys, look at it. What is the eyes? Haha, guys. Oh, wow. This is Carnage Hearted.
Our spider sense doesn't even react to me. Let the slaughter begin!
Wow, guys, look at the Carnage Khatun is looking so scary, guys. So sharp teeth of Carnage Khatun, guys. So nice sharp claws of Carnage Khatun, guys. Very nice design on his chest, guys. Very cool, very scary. Brother of Final Khatun. Very nice. Over, guys. Over, guys. Like, share, subscribe, guys. To the chicken guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Chicken guys.